First thing we need to do is cut open the pumpkin so that we can remove the seeds and put them to the side. We'll save the seeds because we can roast them and they'll make a tasty snack. I like to put my seeds in a bowl of salt water and let them soak until I'm ready to separate the strings out and get ready to roast them. Now I'll scrape out the rest of the pulp that's inside the pumpkin. Throw it away. Baste the inside of the pumpkin with melted butter. Then flip the pumpkin over on the baking sheet. Bake the pumpkins in an oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. Now wash the kale and the green onions and the green garlic, and I like to remove the stems from the kale as well. Then chop everything up. Next, mince the garlic cloves. Chop the kale. Now we are ready to cook it all. Use a spoon to scrape the flesh of the roasted pumpkins out. Put them into a bowl. Saute the green onions and green garlic and the garlic cloves in some butter. Now add the chicken broth, the heavy whipping cream, cinnamon, black pepper, nutmeg, stir it and bring it to a simmer, and also add the shagbark hickory syrup, or you can use honey or maple syrup. Then add in the pumpkin pulp. Bring everything to a boil, stir, and then use an immersion blender to create a smooth consistency. Now roast your sesame seeds in a dry skillet. Be careful, it only takes a couple of minutes. Don't overcook them, just until they are golden brown. Don't forget to stir your pumpkin soup. Sesame seeds to the side and melt some butter in your iron skillet. We're going to now saute some garlic and our kale. Stir fry for a few minutes and then cover it. Cook for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. Add a little bit of salt and the sesame seeds. And stir it together nicely. Now it's time to eat. Put your pumpkin soup in a bowl, top it with the kale, serve it with a delicious sandwich, and enjoy.